Hi, this is Gabriel, the Forex Helper, and I'm here to tell you about our signals services. We have two types of signal service. The first is lifetime signals, and the second is monthly signal service. Let me explain how the lifetime signals work. Basically, you make a one-time payment of $59.99. You'll get access to our Google Drive as well as our Google Docs. In our Google Drive, you'll find daily video updates. These daily video updates explain how the market works according to the strategy called CMV, also known as current market value. This strategy is taught in my ebook, Easy Forex Trading, which I highly recommend that every Signals member read, especially if you want to understand how the CMV strategy works on a day-to-day basis. Now, this lifetime signals will also give you access to our Google Docs. This is where you'll find our signals report, okay? In order to qualify for our lifetime signals membership, you will need to use the broker that we provide, along with the link that we provide you. You'll also need to deposit a minimum of $200 to $300 with the same broker. If you maintain your signals trades, then you'll also be able to continue to maintain your lifetime signals membership status. Now, the second signal service is our month-to-month signal service. It's $29.99 a month. Basically, you get access to the same two Google Drive and Google Docs video updates, as well as our signals report. The only difference with this one is you can use any broker you desire. That's it. So let me explain another thing. Our signal service works completely different than any other signal service out there. We're not that fast, wheel and deal, Vegas style trading that you'll find out there, which is pretty much close to gambling. Our signals operate off of the CMV strategy that I just mentioned earlier in this video. So, in other words, it's a long-term signals. If you have any further questions about how this works, you can contact us online through our website, or you can contact us on WhatsApp. One of our agents will be more than happy to assist you. Once again, this is Gabriel the Forex Helper. Happy trading.